Customers know that their website is their shop window, but it's often high effort and expensive to go changing it. Yolkk removes these barriers by designing a website for virtually nothing, and then letting the customer decide whether it's worth the monthly fee. We see it all too often, WordPress websites that just do not work. They look ancient now. A new, modern 2022, 2023 website should look completely different. It should really engage with users, ensure that they're staying on the website and you can deliver it as much information as you can in a short period of time. And that's what we're set up for, to drive that user engagement and then convert that engagement into leads. All the previous covers a small business website, which still looks fantastic and is extremely functional. But what about a lead generation website? What do you get for paying a little bit more money? The aim of a lead generation website is to get leads. We get customers to give up their email addresses or even move forward with purchases by designing the website out for such. A small business website is still set up to convert, but a lead generation website means we use our expertise to spend more time converting customers into leads and buyers. If you're still not sure, give us a call, let us chat over, let's see your website and how a redesign can really work for you.